friend of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on display. Now click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness, and as you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same switcher. But you can also go into tab menu and click on this little icon next to brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, you can do that by clicking on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!